They always got fire in their videos. You look like One Punch Man. I can't tell who is who. Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, we will be discovering ATEEZ for the first time. This will be my first time ever listening to ATEEZ and like trying to figure out more about this group. So as always, I pulled up the member profile that has been updated since. So let's find out more about this boy band. And this is gonna be the first boy band that I react to on my channel, so I'm really excited. I haven't really listened to any boy band groups since BTS, to be quite honest, or like 17. I used to listen to them. I used to listen to GOT7. Who else I used to listen to? Damn, I can't really name the names because it really has been a while. Like, the last boy group I remember really loving is, damn, what's the name of that group? And they have the song called Monster. I forget the name, but that group, it'll come back to me. I'll look that up again, but right now I want to focus on ATEEZ. So my sister was telling me about this group. She said that they are very popular. As I can already tell, they have so many views on their YouTube channel. It's insane. So I know their fandom is probably crazy too. Let's get the ball rolling. ATEEZ, known pre-debut as KQ Fellas, is an 8-member boy group under KQ Entertainment. The group consists of Sangwa. Y'all know me, I'm gonna butcher these names, so I'm gonna try my best. I'm not good at pronunciation, especially in another language. So Hungjong, Yoonho, Yangsang, San, Minji, Wooyoung, Jungho. They released the pre-debut song from on July 9th, 2018 with another trainee named Jungyoung. The group debuted on October 24th, 2018 with their first mini album, Treasure EP 1, All to Zero. Okay, so they debuted in October of 2018. So they've been out for a minute then. They're also signed to the Japanese record label Columbia since 2019. Okay. All right, their fandom name is ATEEZ. All right, who we got here? Hungjong. Very handsome. He looks really young though. 1998. Oh, he ain't that young. I have siblings born in 1998. Okay, he's Korean, 5'8". He is captain, main rapper, vocalist, composer, center. Damn. Basically, he's like the pop one of the group. He was born in South Korea. Okay. I'm not gonna read all of this. I'm gonna read this on my own time. I like looking at the profiles and learning more about the group as I expand into their music. I like to find out more about their character traits and like what they like, what they don't like. Yada. All right, this is Songhwa. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but he is handsome. I love long hair on guys. Oh, just like his hair isn't that long, but you know, 1998. He's the vocalist, the rapper, the performer, the visual. I just need to look at their faces, like remember their faces and names. I know I'm not gonna remember everything as I do this, but oh, he is the oldest member. He has an older brother. I be want to know who can speak English. Ooh, Yoonho, main dancer, vocalist. Okay, dancer. I love his hair. These guys are really pretty. They're really pretty. March 23rd, 1999. He's an Aries. I like Aries. All right, Youngsung. He looks very mature and like he looked like he got a quiet mystery to him. He is the vocalist, rapper, performer, visual. Okay, Gemini. Yeah, Geminis are very creative. They know how to do like everything. They're like the master of all things. Okay. Damn, how many have we done so far? Sun. That's it, Sun. I like his name because it's short. Just 3 letters. Sun. That's it. He is a Cancer. I already like him just because he's a Cancer. He is main dancer and lead vocalist. So he's lead vocalist. And he know how to dance. Okay. Oh, we got Minji. Very serious. Minji. I'm gonna remember you because you got like the hooded eyes and the brows. He got really serious face. So that's Minji for you. Main dancer, main rapper, vocalist. Leo. Of course, he looked like a Leo. Look, that don't scream raw to you. King of all kings. Ooh, who's this? Wooyoung. I love the piercings and I love the hairstyle. He's giving I don't know what to call it, but yeah, main dancer, vocalist. November 26, 1999, Sagittarius. He's 5'8". And I guess last but not least, Jungho. He's the baby. He's the youngest of the group. October 12th, he's a Libra. Okay, he's giving pretty young face, Libra. Romantic. These are all assumptions, obviously, but yeah. All right, we have ATEEZ, guys. Now I'll look into this later, like I said. All right, so the first video I'm gonna react to is ATEEZ Ice on My Teeth. I kept seeing so many review reactions on YouTube on my For You page that I wanted to click, and then I kept seeing this video getting recommended to me, and I was like, no, they don't love me like I love you, but wait, they don't love you like I love you. All right, Anyway, I'm gonna react to some other music videos of theirs as well, but this is the first one I'm gonna do a reaction to. November 15, 38 million. God damn. All right, let's start. Make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment and follow so we can get more into boy groups. I'm excited. Ooh. I brought diamonds at my dentist. Is this song gonna be in English? Hold up. I like that beginning part. About the damn, I already forgot. Is he the one I was saying that looked like he belonged in a rom-com with the hair? Cause he and the voice, the deep voice. Let me get back into anime.
Grand slam like tennis. You the one tryna finish. Ice on my teeth, ice on my teeth, ice on my teeth for my white teeth. Ice on my teeth, ice on my teeth, ice on my teeth for my white teeth.
Now I wanna see some girls.
떨어지는 make it rain. 이름에 손을 챙겨오는 달. 세계에 뿌려놔서 그래 밖에 닮아. 엄마나 몸에 감기는 액체. 여름엔 땀방울은 쉼표한 마침.
Which one is this?
빛이 계속 사지. 난 지금 마치 바이올린. 맨 위에서 부르지. 이름 같은 priority. 먼저 앉지 여전히. 난 시작부터 main course. 서로 먹지 diamond cut. 관심 없어.
Ooh. Oh, ballerina. Oh.
You're the one trying to finish. Ice on my teeth, ice on my teeth, ice on my teeth for my white teeth. Ice on my teeth, ice on my teeth, ice on my teeth for my white teeth.
Oh, that's creepy. I don't like puppets. He's cute. Oh my god. I love those cats. I don't know what's the name of the breed. Short haired something. Not the, he got the that's the haircut we do when we do the big chop and you want to get the little Betty Boop waves. He got the Betty Boop hairstyle. I can't Dougie. Now him whispering. He sound like Jimin from BTS when he sounded like, I don't know, I'm not sure who sung that part, but he sounded like him to me, or like Jungkook. Hey. Ooh, they look grown. Ooh, I love the glasses on him. I really wish they had grills just to emphasize the ice on my teeth, but it's okay. I think they show like melted ice. He's so pretty. I probably just made the ugliest face right now, but look, he's He's so pretty. He got that shot. Let me screenshot that. I might make that. That's a nice one too. Wait. Me getting my thumbnails. Ooh, he is fine. Wow. Oh, I like the song. It's giving dark academia, vampire kind of, even without the fangs and stuff, but it's just giving that kind of vibe. And I like the song. It's kind of like R&B, kind of hip hop-ish a little. Yeah, they were singing in low register, and it sounds good. It sounds really good. I like the deep vocals in their song. Damn, I'll have to watch this again. But I'm gonna watch it again on my own time because, like I said, this is me discovering ATEEZ, and I want to just immerse myself in their music. So we're just gonna listen to their most popular songs, whichever one pop up, because I didn't write down a list of what songs I want to listen to. I'm just going through it. They have a lot of songs. They've been out for a while, so yeah, I'm not gonna get through all of that in the video, like within the video, but it is what it is. Okay, so next we have ATEEZ Work. I think I heard this song before. Oh yeah, I definitely heard this song before. I just never seen the music video, and I didn't know it was ATEEZ. I seen people cover this song, so I know what the dance looked like, but I want to see them give their own dance and watch the music video. So let's get into it. The hell? I like this song off the bat.
Gotta work, gotta make that money, make purse.
Hey, this song is so funny to me. Billboard #1, okay.
눈 뜨면 착착 준비되는 golden plate 이제만 도착 LA to Tokyo.
He look good with a hat. Why he look like what's that anime called? Not me naming them after anime characters, but they kind of look like anime characters. That's what like boy groups always give me, like anime characters. Him. He look like One Punch Man. Just a better version. Because One Punch Man is... Damn.
Gotta work, gotta make that money, make
hey.
Gotta focus so I make it purr.
Hey.
Keep on refresh when they see me earn.
Their pronunciation is so cute. I mean, you could kind of hear who probably speaks English.
Gotta make that money, make purse.
Oh, so that's why people, when they did covers to the song, they dress in crazy outfits. Money Monster. He's the youngest, right? I think. Not him, the other one. Gotta work. Gotta make that money, make purse. Gotta focus, so I make it purr. Hey. Keep on refresh when they see me earn. Gotta work. Gotta make that money, make purse. Gotta focus, so I make it purr. Gotta get that credit, get park. Ooh, I like his jacket.
Gotta work.
Where did they record this at? Obviously America, but where at? LA? Ooh, I like his voice. Make that money make birds.
Gotta make that money make birds. Money make birds. Gotta make that money make.
Gotta make that money make. Hey. Wait. I don't know if I want to react to this song. What is this? When did this come out? 3 years ago? The original version? Bouncy K Hot Chili Pepper. That's funny. What's this song sounding like? It's like a movie.
What you gonna say? Get back and relax. Don't you want that, man? I got time, but it's not for you, bro. Don't you realize what I'm saying? What you gonna do? Hey, let's go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 하면 rhythm and I'm talking 들어란 말에 시끄럽지 우리 막아
They rapping? More money. Oh my god. Bad Boys. Yeah, he really sound like Jimin.
Slow it down, make it bounce. 지금부터
Oh, I seen my sister do the dance to this. I remember seeing like other K-pop groups do this dance challenge, so I remember that. Bouncy. Okay, G-Dragon. I'm just kidding. Oh, they got the peppers. Ooh, fight scene. Fight Club. Auto tune. Oh shoot. His face though. Ew, he had the money in his mouth. Ew. Hey, oh, hey, hey, hey. That look fun. Oh, okay. Ooh, all white now. A bullet in the chili pepper. Come on now. Make it bounce.
If you wanna know how, I can show you right now. Bounce, bounce, we don't fly, fly.
I'm so excited to get into boy groups now, cause it's like a different vibe. I don't know. Okay, wait, how many of them? I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 boy group. Damn, it's a lot of them. Okay, so I only heard that chorus part, the make it bounce it. I heard that part before. right, moving on. We got 5 years ago. Let's listen to Wonderland because this is from 5 years ago and this was a minute ago. Oh my god, this is given 5 years ago. 5 years ago. They look so young. I don't know, it was given BTS when they first came out. Ah! Like, look at the haircut. I'm gonna try to focus on the vocal. Okay, to switch up. Gotcha. No, but isn't that giving BTS that? Damn, I be forgetting these songs, man. My memory ain't all the way there, but y'all know what music video I'm talking about from BTS. Sorry if that's offensive to compare them to BTS, but I mean, they had a lot of influence, so as a lot of artists do.
We on fire. 너는 여기서 멈출 텐가? 그토록 원하던 것이 눈앞에. 다시 돌아올 수 없어도. Oh, we must go it on.
Oh.
같이 기다리는 시작으로. On my way 모두 발을 맞추고. On my way 하나 둘 하면 뛰어. On my way 없는 길도 만들어. 어서 가자 같이 기다리는 시작으로. Breaking the wall. 누군가는 가야 할 곳. 쉽지만은 않더라도.
He's handsome.
그 이유가 우리 맘에 들어.
I can't tell who is who in this old music video, in this older music video. Cause they all got like kind of like similar haircuts but different colors. Ooh, how much energy it takes to do these dance moves? Okay, boys. I know that boy groups are required to do even more than girls, like the move, so bless their heart. I know they be tired. Okay, that song was okay, but I want to find another song. Do they usually do R&B tracks, or like do their B-sides usually be like R&B tracks? Because I want to know. I really like the slow R&B sound, or even some hip hop. But we got ATEEZ Say My Name, or ATEEZ Answer. I want to listen to Crazy Form. Let's see. And then I'm going to listen to one more after this, because I don't want this video to be too long. But maybe I'll do like a part 2 of diving even more into their groups, and maybe looking at like if they do reality shows or like shows on YouTube, just to find out more about them and just see what they're like off, you know, music videos and stuff. But let me know if you want to see more like that as well. But yeah, let's get into the music video. All right, let's get into ATEEZ crazy form.
Get up. Get up.
Which one is this?
Get up. I need to go kick that drum. My ego in the show. 달라라까지 go. 야 이건 미친 품. 아야야야 춤만 춰. My ego in the show. Put 'em up, make him run. 자 이게 미친 품. 미친 품은 어여. 가져와 내 트로피. 시동 걸어 이 터바인. Put up the drum beat. 쳐버려 pump it. 어디로 다 돌아봤냐. 상향 중 내 직관 나와. 최강 컴만 계속 너가. 내버려둬 왔던 마이 꽃사 나오면 눈 감아 타임이 스틱인 넌 빨라 Can't you see I'm a warning sign 이제 불렀더라 격하게 털어 그냥 마음대로 움직여 We go I need to fuck kick that drum My ego in the show 달라라까지 go 야 이건 미친 품 아야야야 춤만 춰
Like their outfit.
Crazy boys getting 환장 그다음에 crash 막 여기저기 반파 근본 없는 자식 난 나만 보고 간 다음에 저희 집 패션은 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 저 세상은 rock 그렇게 사이 같은 놈 진짜 처음 보는 놈 진짜 처음 보는 놈 시걸 돌아버린 놈 I'm actually screaming not go 내버려둬 I don't mind 골사 나오면 눈 감아 Time is ticking 넌 빨라 Can't you see I'm a warning sign 이제 불렀더라 격하게 털어 그냥 마음대로 움직여 We go I need to full kick that drum
I like him with the glasses. He looks so cute with those glasses on. Cute little nerd. Okay, Matrix. Oh. Ooh. Wait. Me trying to get a thumbnail of him because he looks so cute in this view. I'll do that later. The Joker. Hey. Hey. Ooh, this was a really cool music video. The budget is definitely budget in, for sure. Wait. What is that? What? What? Yeah, I like this song better than the other one that we listened to. Ah, damn, they have so many music videos. It's gonna be hard to choose, you know, from which one. But I think I'm gonna go with this one. Fireworks, I think. I'm the One official music video. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. The auto tune. Look at them drunk fools. I wasn't expecting pink hair and a crop top. Is this a title track or is this a B-side? Let me know. The build up. Got abs under that crop top. I like this track. Now I want to see the dance performance. Is that the one I said that's the pretty boy? I hate that pushback hairstyle for some reason. I don't know why. Not on him. I just hate that hairstyle in general. Don't worry. What does that mean? What are they saying? Noria. Who is this one in the crop top and the pink? Is he one of the pretty boys too? Hey. They always got fire in their videos. That's something I noticed. Hey, ATEEZ. Wait, is there more? Wait, there's more. Who is this? And what does it all mean? Sorry that I'm not going in order with this. Maybe I should do that next time. When I do a Discover, it's very unorganized, but my apologies. Oh my god, I want to see like the dance. I want to see the dance to the music videos that I've seen. But yes, that was me discovering ATEEZ, guys. If you stick around all the way into the end, I truly, honestly appreciate it. I feel like these videos do well on my channel, so I want to keep continuing on with discovering new K-pop groups, even ones that's not really popular. They deserve love too. So if you are an ATEEZ fan, make sure you comment down below. I know they probably have a huge girl fandom, but I'm sure there's some guys that like to listen to their music too, just like with the K-pop girlies. Girls love to listen to K-pop girls, and you know, I know guys do too. But I noticed that when I do my reactions to girl videos, obviously I have more of like a guy following. So I'm hoping that these boy videos, like boy group videos, do well as as well as the girls, so I can have more girls on my channel and we could just have a little community of us boys and girls who just like to enjoy good music and entertainment. So yeah, I have fun doing this, react to ATEEZ. They give very, I'm not gonna say but like BTS coded, but I love it. They're all very handsome. They seem like they have so much potential. Obviously they've been out like since 2018 and they're still going to this day, and they're like one of the top popular boy groups I believe out there. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments. Come spam my comments and let me know what you love about ATEEZ. Who's your favorite member in the group? Who do they remind you of? What's your favorite song that they have out so far? And if I should dive deep more into them and do a part 2 to this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this so much. Thank you so much for sticking around. I'll see you guys in the next video, and till next time, fam. Bye.